everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. On today's show, I'm going to make a Tuscan chicken. It's show number 316. It's a real easy recipe. There's a lot of ingredients, but basically you're going to mix them up and dump them in the pan. So it's a pretty simple recipe to make. As far as the ingredients go, I have a complete list. If you'll click on the subscribe button, you'll see the more button where the recipe is. And you can also go to my website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com. Also, today we're taking a test quiz. Do you like chicken? If you like chicken, hit the thumbs up button. We want to see how many people are going to hit that thumbs up button. To get started, let's go through the ingredients. So, simple things that you've probably got around your kitchen anyway. Red pepper, a potato, onion, garlic, oregano, basil, tomato paste, garlic salt rather than powder, paprika, thyme. This is the oregano, salt, pepper, olive oil, an egg, white wine, cheese. I'm using Parmesan, a little bit of flour, which is white, and then some heavy cream. Also a chicken beef stock. You'll want some of that. Let's get started by cutting up our vegetables. Let's start out with our onion. There you go. Bunch of cut up onions. Alright, we're done. Okay, here we go. Move them over. Perk them. Garlic. Knock off the ends. Shave off the ends. Just like that, and then I roll it nice and tight, just like that. Put your hand on it and just roll it. After you do that, the paper comes right off it. Thank you to the ducks for stopping by to say hi tonight. I think they were trying to tell me that they like chicken. Dinner time for us, and it's dinner time for the ducks. Apparently they're arguing about where they want to go for dinner. Mrs. Duck is saying she wants to go to one place, and Mr. Duck is saying he wants to go to another. Hopefully they agree and they go. That would be ideal. Big one right here. There you go. Smashed it right up. And that's what it looks like. Now let's do our red pepper. Okay, we pitch all this and save this for later. And we just pull the inside out. Pitch it. Cut it. Gonna lay this out just like this. Then you just set your knife flat. Just kind of go right down like you're skinning fish. Just like that. Simple things. Then we're going to run a trail down this into bite-sized pieces. just like this. First thing we're going to do is our egg. So just going to hit it with a spoon. You never want to crack it on an edge because you could force bacteria into the egg. So just like that. Then I have my fancy new tool, and we're going to whisk this up. Well, it certainly is the year of the cicadas. Sounds like since it's dinner time, they've all come out as well. So now for the next ingredients, I have some flour that I need to put in, a little bit of flour, garlic salt. This is very unusual in a recipe to use garlic salt rather than garlic powder, paprika, and this is smoked. I'm using the smoke to give the chicken a earthy smell. Earthy taste as well. Oregano. I'm not really worried about using too much oregano. Thyme. Thyme I don't want to use a lot. Salt. Pepper. And then just kind of mix this up until it looks like this. Now I grab my oil, and I like to use it liberally because I love olive oil. And I love my sister that keeps shipping me the olive oil that I keep ordering. Now I have my chicken breasts, and I have to open these. I like to buy them in these sealed pouches. And then when you freeze them, and then there's 5 in a package. When you freeze them, what's nice is they don't stick together. Take a minute here and open up my potato. It's an individually wrapped one. Notice I'm cutting away from myself, Boy Scouts. Take your egg mixture and put your egg mixture in one of your containers. Then take that mix with the flour that you did and put that in one of your containers. Just like that. Then we want to dip into the egg. Put it in the and then we'll put it right in there, and it looks like that. These are kind of thin and small, so I'm making 2 per person. Now we put these in the pan in the oil, and as you can see, the oil was spread out more. It tends to do that when it heats. And we'll let these go for a minute while I wash my hands. Okay, these are all what's done here. Let's go ahead and get this dish sprayed up here. We need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. The next thing we need to do is saute up our onions in some olive oil. Okay, put these in the oven. About 10 minutes. Now I need to set a timer for 2 minutes. And we're going to put in our garlic. And don't put it in too soon. Bunch of oregano. Oregano tastes great. Paprika, a little bit of paprika. It's not overly strong, but too much would not be good. Once again, I'm using the smoky paprika. And red bell peppers. Tomato paste. That smells even better. Onions, garlic, bell peppers. There you go. Tomatoes. Hear how quiet it gets? This Gotham steel pan has Teflon on the top, and on the bottom it has a stainless steel plate, and the plate transfers the heat equally throughout the pan and makes all the food in the pan cook equally. It's a lot better to use these newer pans. If you have older pans, check out my pan video. I can put an end card on so you can look at the different pans. There's a lot of manufacturers out there. Now let's put in a little bit of white wine. Once again, it'll lower the temperature. And then some chicken stock. Now that it's been cooking for a couple of minutes, let's go ahead and hit the start button on our timer. Our stove just beeped. That's up to temperature. I have the chicken in there. Let's put some spinach in here. You can use a whole can. Now cream. You can use heavy cream. I'm going to use a sour cream. You could also use yogurt if you want. Greek yogurt would work well here. You could also add in your Parmesan cheese at this point if you want. We're going to wait and put it in at the end. We're down to the last few seconds and we need to check the temperature on the chicken. Make sure it's over 160. We need to get to 165 ultimately. If it was 150, 155 and it was cruising to 160, 165, that's good. We are 165 on the dot. 2 here. And 2 here. Put some of this right here on top. Sprinkle parsley on it. Just like that. And one of these gets cheese. Remember, this is Parmesan. It is a little salty and fairly strong. I've enjoyed making this for you. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you like the meals that I'm making and you want to see more. So goodbye for now.